how to solve Chrome extensions not working on loading issues. So if you want to fix or solve your Chrome extensions not working or not loading issues on your Windows, then what you need to do is you need to just search for CMD. After searching, you'll have your command prompt, right click on it, and then go with Run as Administrator. And click on Yes, and you'll get this kind of interface. Now here, you need to enter task kill space /im space chrome.exe space /f, and then hit the enter. Once you hit the enter, you can open up your Chrome and your problem may be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then the next solution is you need to open up your Chrome browser. After opening, you need to go with the top right, which has that 3 dots, and then go with settings. Under settings, here you'll have privacy and security. Under that, go with delete browsing data and go and select last hour or last 24 hours or last 7 days, 4 weeks, all time, any option that you're comfortable with, and go with delete data. And after deleting your data, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then again, open up your browser. After opening, go with the 3 dots, which is on the top right, and go with settings. Under settings here on the left side, you'll have reset settings. You need to click on reset and then reset settings to their original defaults. And after clicking on this, your problem might be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.